Hi guys, Barnes here, and today I'm going to show you how to nollie. If you want to nollie, you have to ride your board in your preferred stance, but your front foot will be on the nose. Nollie is the same as a switch ollie, so it might be good if you practice both at the same time, but I would say that nollie might be easier than switch ollie. So for the foot position on the nollie, you have your feet just like this. Your front foot is on the nose, can be a little bit in that pocket on the nose, but my foot moves a lot, so I would say it's a personal preference. And your back foot is on the bolts or just down from those bolts. The main position that you're going to be doing with the nollie is sliding your back foot up while you pop the nose of your board. It's just like an ollie, except you are popping off the nose, hence the word for nollie. It's a short for nose ollie. So if you are going to practice, I personally prefer rolling. Even if you are rolling slow, it will be a closer feel to the actual trick, and while you are rolling, you are actually improve your balance. So start to push and roll, and put your front foot on the nose and try to pop a little, so it will be easier to control the move, and then slide your back foot up. The thing that's a little bit different about nollie is that you pop from the nose as you are going forward, so it's kind of different feel and a little bit of different momentum because you kind of thrust your legs forwards with your front foot as your board goes forward, and then as your board comes up into the air, so you pop your board, slide your back foot back up, and then your front foot comes up and then off the ground. So you have to lift your front foot up and off the ground, and then your board comes with you, and hopefully, if your back foot slid well, then your board is stuck to your feet the whole way, and that's what you really want. Quick recap on what to practice. So you're riding and your front foot is on the nose, and then your back foot is just down from those bolts. So basically what you're going to do is pop the front of the nose and slide your back foot back just like a regular ollie. So practice popping the nose and practice sliding your foot up, and then put it all together and then just pop the nollie. Have fun with it, and now it's your turn to go out and start to practice. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.